Cops apprehend gunmen a day after attacking Central Village. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two sin-catching men were arrested and charged with breaches of the Firearm Act and offenses against the Persons Act after they reportedly attacked and shot a male who was visiting his girlfriend in Central Village, St. Catherine. The attack took place on Friday, October the 6th, and the police, based on reports, the alleged shooters were apprehended the following day. They are 29-year-old Kevin Morgan, a farmer, and 23-year-old merchandiser Denardo James, both of First Avenue in the parish, were charged with possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and wounding with intent. Reports from the Central Village Police are that at around 11:15 p.m., a man was visiting a woman in the community when he was pounced upon by a group of gunmen who opened fire at him. He received gunshot wounds to his upper body and lost control of the motor vehicle he was driving and crashed into a wall. The man managed to run from the vehicle and alerted the police. On their arrival, the man was transported to the hospital where he was treated. Following an investigation, Morgan and James were arrested and taken into custody the following day. James was charged after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney, and Morgan was charged on Friday, October the 13th. Their court date are to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.